Hardie board is not waterproof. No siding is waterproof. Every siding allows moisture to permeate through it, just via humidity, condensation, vapor, things like that. So no siding is waterproof. There are different sidings that are water resistant. And so like when we install Hardie siding in your home, the first thing we do after we remove any obstructions from us putting it up is wrap your house in what's called Tyvek. Tyvek, or vapor barrier is another name for it, is a material it's like Gore-Tex. It will not allow moisture to penetrate or come in, but it will allow vapor to escape, because when you're inside your house and you take a shower, that produces humidity. When you breathe, that produces humidity. When you boil water for spaghetti or run the dishwasher or whatever, you're producing moisture inside your house, and you don't want it to become trapped inside your house. Tyvek is a material that actually allows the vapor that you build up inside your house to escape out, so it doesn't create any mold or health issues. But it won't let the moisture from the outside of the house penetrate to the inside. So we put the Tyvek up first, then we put the Hardie siding on top of that, so that you don't have any water issues whatsoever.